Hi there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I'm making a Z fold with pop-up center card. Let's get started. I'm starting with a piece of basic white cardstock 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches and scoring the long side at 2 1/8 inches and 4 1/4 inches. I then cut a strip of basic white cardstock 1 inch by 4 inches and scored at 1 inch, 2 inches, and 3 inches. I made a pencil mark at 2 inches on all 4 sides of a 4-inch patterned paper square. Then I lined up the pencil marks on the cutting groove and cut off a triangle. I rotated the piece and repeated it on all 4 sides. I stamped the adorable owls in black pimento ink and colored them in with stamping blends. Next, I fussy cut each owl. I removed the party hat from the last owl. No need to mask, just continue cutting around the feathers on his head. Z-fold and burnish each score line on the card base. Add glue and adhere the triangles to each of the 4 corners. And adhere the strips of pattern paper to the front panel and inside panel. Fold the basic white strip on all 3 score lines, then fold it in half and add liquid glue to one of the squares at the open end. Place this square face down and centered next to the seam of the card base. Press and hold until the glue sets. Then add glue to the top square at the open end and fold the card shut. Press and hold until this glue sets. Take a 3-inch square of fresh freesia cardstock and with the piece in diamond position, butt the left point up to the crease in the card base. Center the piece using the adhered triangles as guides. Then pick up the card, flip it over, and trim off the excess from the square. Now rotate the trimmed square so the flat edge lines up with the inside score line. If the right point extends past the right card edge, trim the flat edge with your snips. Adhere the 2 3/4 inch square of patterned paper to the diamond. Flip it over and trim off the excess. Add liquid glue to the top of the shelf pop-up mechanism. Then place the diamond with the flat edge next to the score line and press to adhere. Take your time and use the triangles already in place as guides. To decorate the front, adhere fresh freesia 1 7/8 inch squares. Add the adhesive to the back left side only and use the fold to line up the points. Add the owls with dimensionals. I paid attention to which way their eyes were positioned in the way I placed them on the diamonds. Find written instructions with measurements and a cutting and scoring guide over on my blog at... Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.